What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Yacht Addiction YouTube channel. The beautiful yacht in front of us is a 2006 Vicem 85 Classic. Now this is a custom designed yacht from Vicem. It has that beautiful down east style, but at 85 feet, it's essentially the ultimate down east style of yacht. This yacht is listed for sale by Merrillwood and Associates. Vicem is a Turkish yacht builder. They're known for their beautiful mahogany woodwork. And of course, you're gonna get that on this one. So let's go ahead and get started with this yacht tour. Really quick, I do wanna point out this yacht, like I said, it's 06, but it did have a small refit in 2020. So it has been updated over the years, and I think you're gonna really enjoy it. So, on the back of the yacht, you do have your hydraulic swim platform, and you can see this is where you'd store a tender. And then there's a little ladder to get up into the cockpit. But we're gonna make our way on board through this opening in the side. Let's actually start going forward and check out the bow area first. Normally we do that, that's one of the last things we do, but you can see this area has a cover. There's actually two salons, there's an upper and lower salon. And this one, it has the window over the lower salon, so it's really nice. And then you have a large sun pad up on the front. You have two anchors. Don't mind me, I'm just getting distracted by Motor Yacht Bold, which is a Silver Yachts custom super yacht, almost mega yacht. That's from an Australian company. One day, I would love to tour that thing. But for now, I'm extremely happy touring this Vicem. You can step into the cockpit, and it's an absolutely massive area where you have your deck furniture. There's a side access door, and there are full decks that wrap around. You have your tables and seating areas, and then here is that swim platform with the tender. Also back here, you do have a refrigerator. You have a bar, so you have some bottle storage and a sink. And you have more storage underneath. So let's head inside to main salon number 1. So stepping into main salon number 1, you can see this TV rises up from right here. And you see all of that beautiful woodwork I was talking about. The owner had this custom built, so the AC vents are actually integrated in with the woodwork. You can see the seating area right here, with a good sized table and U-shaped seating area around it. The master cabin is actually located in this private staircase down here. And the guest cabins are forward. But before we get there, you'll see this seating area right here and a desk. On the opposite side, you see really comfortable looking helm settee. You have your Garmin multifunction displays and your compass, as well as the bow thruster, the autopilot control, your throttle controls, and the trim tab controls. Now this is one thing that makes this yacht incredibly cool, and I think the space just works incredibly well. You actually have a salon number 2, or a lower salon. So check this out. Overhead, that's that window I was talking about that's currently covered. You have an incredibly comfortable looking living area right here. More of that beautiful woodwork, bookcases on the wall, a big TV, a formal dining area, and then forward is where you find the galley. So this yacht does have 4 crew. So you can see your full-size appliances, big fridge and freezer, and the double sink. So the 2 crew cabins I was talking about, they're right here. I'll take a quick peek inside. You can see the 2 beds, and then there's a small ensuite. This boat is actively crewed, so we're not going to go into the ensuite. But if we step back down into the midship, you'll find the other guest cabins. So right here you have 2 single beds. And like I said, you're not going to step into a room without just seeing the beautiful wood. Here's your vanity and the ensuite. The other guest cabin is right here, very similar with the 2 single beds, TV up on the wall, and the ensuite behind that. Now you can actually gain access to the engine rooms right back here. So while we're here, for the sake of time, we will go ahead and check it out. And I love that this door is right here in this area. You don't have to climb down a ladder from the cockpit. It's an extremely well lit and really large engine room. You can see your 2 generators. And this yacht comes with a pair of MAN V12 engines. They're 1,200 horsepower each. You have a top speed around 25 knots, and you can cruise comfortably at 19 knots. Let's close this up behind us. Also, I did want to point out you do have a full-size washer and dryer, separate units, so that's always great to see. This boat feels absolutely massive with its 2 separate salons. And it's also interesting because the engine room is actually between the guest cabins and the master cabin. So if we head down these stairs, looks like we have a little fridge and microwave tucked away. And then here is the full beam master cabin. And I know I've been saying it over and over, but look at the exquisite woodwork in here. This is what Vicem is known for. You have a large TV on the wall, king size bed, and then you have the settee over here. There's a walk-in closet. The light is currently being fixed, so apologies for that. And then you have a really large ensuite with your sink, all of this built-in storage, the toilet, really good size shower, and then this is a wraparound or walk-through ensuite, so you have another toilet and bidet and the other sink. You have to let me know what you think of this boat in the comment section down below. Personally, I am a fan of Vicem yachts, and you're not going to find another one like this. This, like I said, was a custom built one. It's pretty rare to find a Vicem this large. So thank you to Merrillwood and Associates for letting me do this tour. They're going to be linked down in the description below if you want to see this listing or other listings like it in greater detail. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.